this here, that the video, it's applying to the bottom page here. Okay, knowing that, let's do number 10. So they're asking for this angle right here. That's the question mark there. That has to be the same as this here. You see the two triangles? That's one here. It corresponds to this big one here. Okay, so if this is 103, that missing piece, angle P, is equal to 103 degrees. Okay, it's an easy one. Okay, this one's harder because a lot of you may miss. I didn't go over the angles, but I did say it equals to 180 degrees, right? I didn't go over the angles today. I didn't know. Okay, I don't know why. I need to look at that note again, and we'll go over it tomorrow. But after you look at today, you go, okay, if this is 42 degrees, that's also 42 degrees, okay? We all state that they are equal. Angle this is congruent to angle that. So if this is 42, this is 42 degrees. Okay? Both triangles have 90 degrees here. Okay, so added together, that's 132 degrees. So this missing piece, to make it 180, that missing piece, okay, if both of these make 132, the missing piece minus 132, that's 7, that's 8, that's 5, no, that's 4, I'm sorry, can't subtract. That is 48 degrees. So this little piece is 48 degrees, and therefore this is, because it's congruent, they're exactly alike. Similar triangles have congruent angles. Angle T is equal to 48 degrees also. If you add them all up, it equals to 180. Make sure you check it by adding it all up to make it equal to 180, okay? So show all the work. Here, now here's what we did in class. This line segment, okay, let's see, we know the short one is 6, so y to m over y to n, that's the ratio, is equal to, okay, that's one of them, y to m right here is 6, and then the whole entire thing is 6 plus another 6, which is 12, equals to this side here, 3, the little triangle that's called m to x is proportion to n to z. So 3 to what number here? NZ, we don't know. 6, of course, because this is half. In order to be half, it's half. Okay, does that make sense? NZ is 6. Now, if you don't get it, you can do it by solving proportions. Going this way, 6 NZ equals 2. This here, that's 36, and then you divide by 6, and NZ is equal to 6, the length of NZ. Okay? Now that's one page. And what page are we on now? 94. Our last one. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, these two are similar. See, this is a symbol for similar triangles. We're going to start using this. There's no equal sign. Congruent has the equal sign in there. Similar, they're not congruent. Obviously, one big, one small. Okay? So, we know, I'm assuming we want to know this, and that relates to that. So that's, this side is this one. So that's ZX over CA. Okay? That is congruent to ZX. So I'm assuming it goes to here. This thing isn't very clear. So let's see. XY, okay, over this side here. It's flipped over. Am I right, you guys? You'll tell me tomorrow. My brain can't, it's just flipped over. So then this one is this one. Oh, I think it doesn't matter really because they don't tell us which is which. I wish they would. Okay. ZY, and that one is BA. Okay? So ZX is unknown, so it stays ZX. We don't know. Okay? And then over CA, CA is, we know as 36, equals to 8 for this one, and BA is over 24. Now that's 1/3. So to get it 1/3, if you don't know, you cross multiply 24 ZX equals to 36 times 8. 36 times 8. Now here's my calculator component. Come on, I'm almost out of battery. Got 36 times 8. 288. Okay. And you divide last. And we know that ZX is equal to 288. 288 divided by 24. 12. That's what I thought. 12. So basically, if you replace this with 12, okay, let me use another color so you can replace it with 12. 12 is 1/3 over 36, and it's 1/3 equals to 1/3. You see that these two fractions are equal when you reduce. 1/3 equals to 1/3. That makes the triangle similar. Angles are the same, and the proportion, the ratios is the same. The fraction between them are the same. Okay? So we don't know this one. This one is this one. NP over, I went NP, so it's XZ. N we don't, P we don't know. XZ is 2 equals, okay, NP, so I'm going to do NM, which is 12, and NM, 7 from here, XY. XY is 4. So the answer should come out 3. So the only possible number for NP to be is 6 to come out 3. So let's do it mathematically to prove it, because we want it reduced to 3, so the only number here is 6 possible, right? So NP is 6. But let's do it mathematically to prove it, because sometimes it isn't as nice. We can give you decimals and then you get all mixed up, and if you don't know how to do it, you're in trouble. Give you easy numbers, then you give you fractions and decimals to go with it, you're thoroughly confused. divide by 4, so you need to know the math part and why it's important, equals to 6. So NP is 6. And that proves that. Okay, that's